Plymouth Prowler by Maisto. It's one of their assembly line. It's their color shop edition. I just want to talk a little bit today about one of the most interesting cars to come out of Chrysler back in the 90s. In 1993, they had the Prowler concept. It's powered by a 3.5 liter V6, and in 1997 when it came out it had 214 horsepower, and that was for 97 and 98, and then it was bumped up to 253 horsepower in 1999. Came with a 4-speed automatic, was 2,800 pounds. It had 11,700 made. The designer was Tom Gale. And for the 2001 and 2002 years, it became the Chrysler Prowler. This model, unfortunately, is no longer available, but this is one of the things that I loved about 25 years ago and put this together. If you enjoyed this video, please think about subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you have any ideas or want any ideas for gifts for the holiday season, please look at my links for Amazon Influencer. I have a lot of 1/18 scale model cars and a lot of car products that I think would be great ideas for gifts. Thank you so much for watching.